Hey everybody, how y'all doing? This is KVUSMC. We're going to do a video of how I clean my mower off. I got a lot of comments saying how clean my John Deere 2019 X758 how clean it was. I'm going to show you how I clean it. Alright, and I reckon I wax it. I'll wax it as soon as I got it, and it keeps everything clean. Alright, deck, wheels, the whole 9 yards, everything on the mower just about. Alright, garden tractor that is. Alright, here we go. Here is, whoops, sorry about that, my thumb's in the way. But you see here, you can see the grass right here. And what we'll do, I'll get them later. I'm only one-handed right now, but it's a mulch-and-mow deck. So I'll take and spray that deck out first. Then I open the deck up. Right there. I take this wand. This is a 2-foot wand. And it's a Milton 2-foot wand. And I'll stick it underneath of here. I get a long one, like a 4-footer. This does have the watch out port on, but I don't use it that much because it's not good to get water on your bearings, even from underneath. All right, I got it on the highest setting right now. All right, then I'll lift these up. Get the gas up underneath here. That's if you got an air compressor. Not everybody has an air compressor, but you can use a garden blower. But you want to get that top clean. All up underneath there. All your spindles. That's the main thing, keep my lawnmower deck good and clean. I'm gonna lift this one up. Excuse the noise. Okay, and this is the, and then I'll blow down from up and go down. But this is a 48-inch. It's a 48-inch deep deck, as you've seen in my other videos. Now I'll go and lower it, the deck. All right, deck's lowered. All right. See, all that's clean. That's how you want a deck to look clean as a whistle, because it won't give you any problems over the years on it. This is a piece of grass. Get all that out of your little holes up here. See the little holes? Make sure grass is all out of there. I just go through with a fine tooth comb, and then I just changed the blades last week. Y'all, it looked great. I do use the port every so often. Now I'm blowing air through the port. I do use it on occasion. Make sure you get all the little holes. Right here, here's one here too, back here near the label. And run that through here. And there you go. Clean deck. Then I'll just blow the top off. And I do the engine about every other time. You open the top. Mostly get the dust and everything off. You know, the dust and dirt and debris from there. Blow that off. Then I go back underneath, I'll lift the seat up. Make sure there's nothing underneath it here. Dust or anything like that. And then I'll blow around here real good. Then I'll blow my undercarriage off. Wheel, undercarriage, wheel, wheel, all up around there. And again, just over here, the input panel, over here. And that's how you get one to last, y'all. There's I got an 80-gallon cobalt compressor. But we can look underneath it here if you want. Okay. Blow this off. The filter looks pretty clean. We can take that out too. But this is all I do. I mean, after I cut grass, that is, or I do any work. Let's pull this filter out for the heck of it. Not that bad, y'all. Not that bad at all. So we'll blow it out. Don't ever want to get that to get sopped up. And that goes right in here. And it's easy, it's self-explanatory where it goes. See right there? Just slides in, clips in place. There we go. That's how I keep mine clean. Make sure the ports are clean. I don't care what brand you own, you want to keep them clean. Alright. Put the push bar back. Push, I hope you just grab a hold of this like that. And it comes down. And you lift it up. And you see I got a battery tender attachment right there. And I always keep it plugged up. I'll do one more shot. And this is, like I say, a 4-foot Milton one. A 2-foot. And it comes with 2 heads, rubber tip and this air venturi tip. Every now and then you got to take your finger and put on the end of it. Don't try this, y'all, but it's the only way you get the grass out of the tips when it gets clogged up. But don't try that at home. But anyway, here it is. That's how I keep my mower nice and clean. And here's my compressor. It's a 220, 80 volt, and that's it. I gotta set 150 pounds of pressure. Let me set this down, finish this video up. Yeah, I know I was all over the place, but that's how you keep your tractor clean. And after clean it, I mean, you can look underneath of it. Let me crank it up and I'll let you see how much grass come in, all right? This grass was tall. It was really tall. It's about a foot high. But a lot of rain. Back up. Well, not a whole lot of grass came out. Just a little bit. This is where I was. But you can see a little bit right here. Little chunks right there. But that's when I clean my deck out. When I put the blades on. So it wasn't that dirty. Just a couple little clumps. But I use an air compressor most of the time. To clean, 99% of the time I use an air compressor to clean out from underneath my deck. So I hope y'all thought this video was helpful. And all right. Well, anyway, I want to thank y'all for watching. God bless the Semper Fi. Please subscribe. Let me know what you think, thoughts, comments, anything you want to know. This is my 2018 X758 4-wheel drive. It's got 62 hours on it. All right, y'all. I already had the 50 hour maintenance, all the hydraulic fluids and everything. All right, y'all take care. God bless Semper Fi. Hoorah.